Hello everyone. So let's start with weekly outlook. So first we will go through by the calendar. What news do we have? So this week we have CPI, but this is tentative. So it can get released or not. It is not sure. So we will trade as usual from Monday to Friday, and Tuesday we have bank holiday, so we will not trade Tuesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday will be the trading day for US pairs, USD pairs, okay? And Euro GBP looking slow week because Monday no news, Tuesday we have Euro bank holiday, Wednesday no news, Thursday we have GBP USD, Friday also there is no news. So maybe Wednesday, Thursday, Friday we'll look to trade GBP JPY. So let's come to the chart. What do we have on the dollar? So we will start from, let's see how the monthly candle is looking. So now we have 18 days left. So we opened, we came above this high. Now we are coming to this, downside. So open high, then price is coming to the downside. Okay. So what we have, we first swept the low. This is range low. We have taken the range high. So if price is sweeping both highs and lows, that means what? It can consolidate. Okay. There is no true direction, but this is a big range. Okay, we can't forecast. For the most recent, we can't forecast for the what will happen in a month. We will only see how the weekly candle will develop. Okay. So what happened? Price took previous candle high. Price also took the range high. So we hit the key level. We closed inside this range. So external range, this is external range because this is high. We took the high, we took the external range high. Now we can come to the internal range. So internal range will be this weekly fair value gap. Okay. External range to internal range, then internal range to external range. Okay, now we have weekly fair value gap as a draw on liquidity, most recent drawn liquidity. So now what happening here? So if you see price move up, then came down. We have the fair value gap here. So this is looking like reversal signature. Why? Because if you see aggressive move up, aggressive move down with fair value gap, this is looking like reversal signature. Okay. So see something like this came down, came up with fair value gap. What happened here? Came up, came down with fair value gap. Okay, so I am expecting price should come towards this fair value gap. Let's mark the weekly open. This is the weekly open. Come to the daily. We opened. Now we are coming to the downside. We are respecting this ash for fair value gap. Okay. So though it is a Monday, we open. We go to open high. We open, go to the high. Now we are coming to the downside. We swept some highs here, I think. Yeah, we swept the high. Now we are coming to the downside. So I am expecting price should continue to the downside towards this fair value gap. When price will come fair value gap, then we have to wait to see how the price is reacting off of it. Okay. So until then, I am bearish in the dollar. Let's come to the Euro USD. So what will Euro USD do? Euro USD will do the opposite to the dollar. So what happened on the Euro USD? The Euro USD swept the range high. Let's look the dollar for SMT. So here dollar took the low. Euro USD took the low. Here dollar took the high, but Euro USD is failing to take the low. That means what? We have crack in correlation with with DXY. That means Euro is stronger. Okay. Now we are sweeping the previous candle low. Come to the weekly. Like simple concept. In the dollar we took the highs, but in euro we failed. That means what? We have SMT. Okay. So we took the previous candle low. We closed. This is the nice rejection close. Okay. Now what I'm expecting? I'm expecting price should expand. Simple concept. Price should expand. First target, previous candle, then this is the target. Okay. So come to the daily time frame. What do we have here? If you see same type of signature here, price came below this low. Now it expanded away. That means what? With the fair value gap. That means what? This is the kind of reversal signature. Okay. When expansion meets with another expansion, this is called reversal. Okay. So this is the weekly open. Now this candle is expanding. At least minimum target is previous week high. If we are failing to manipulate it, then we will target this high. Okay, simple concept. Come to the 4 hour. What do we have? Price open, came down, tested this order block. Now it is expanding to the upside. Open, low, we have change in state of delivery. Now I want all this down close candle should support and until we meet the target. Okay, clear price action. Maybe I can look to trade today. Okay, let's come to the GBP USD. GBP USD a bit of a bit weaker pair than euro. So if you see what do we have, let's compare with euro USD. Okay, on euro USD we didn't took these lows, but GBP we took this low. That means what? We have crack in correlation. GBP USD failed to, sorry, euro USD failed to took this low. Okay, so euro is stronger, GBP is weaker. Now what do we have? Come to the weekly. On weekly, we swept previous candle low. We swept previous candle low. Now what do we have? We have fair value gap as a resistance. Okay, so why this fair value gap will act as a resistance? See, there is in euro there is no fair value gap. That means what? GBP has a bearish fair value gap. Euro USD doesn't have. That means what? This is a weaker pair. It will be good to short GBP USD. Okay, if price action align. But if I will look to long, I will look to long euro, not GBP USD. So we already reached to this previous week high. So we have to wait on daily. On daily, if you see, we have expansion met with expansion with fair value gap is a reversal signature. So I'm expecting bullish price action, but let the daily confirm the idea. It is better to wait. Okay, it is not the good idea to long GBPSD. So I will be waiting. Come to the gold gold monthly. What we are doing? We have fair value gap Let me bring silver for SMT. Okay, what do we have? Now it is looking like gold and silver they don't want to come to the fair value gap. No problem. What do we have on weekly? Okay, we have this weekly fair value gap. So this week showing some kind of rejection, as well as what we have SMT with silver. So now this candle previous week didn't expand. If gold wants to continue to the upside, I want this candle to expand. Okay, I want this candle to expand. We have this gap as a resistance. If it will not expand, then it will be considered as range. Okay, so now what happened? Last week totally consolidated. This is the range high. This is the range low. Okay, last week consolidated. Now from the open, we expanded to the upside. We have few low resistance liquidity are here with fair value gap. This will be the nice target. So if you see, we expanded right through open. Okay, so there is nothing today. If we will close bullishly, so I will be expecting gold should expand. Okay, come to the 4 hour. Okay, now it is looking nice because we have now forming the third candle. This is not looking like reversal. So yeah, let's see. Let let Monday candle form. Then we will see on Wednesday what to do. Okay. Also waiting on the gold. Come to the GBP JPY. GBP JPY, as I discussed, we swept previous candle low and closed above the opening price. So I am bullish on GBP JPY. So let me bring the Euro JPY for SMT. So what do we have? We have SMT with GBP JPY. Euro JPY is stronger pair. Okay, so we took this. See, this is the one candle, and we have multiple candle inside it, and we swept that candle low. So the obvious target will be this candle high. This is a inside bar. This is a range. Okay, we took one side of the range. We can target opposite side of the range. Simple concept. And what happened? We closed also inside the previous candle high. So my first target will be this candle high. Then ultimate target will be this candle. Okay, so this is the weekly open. We are expanding right through open. If you see same signature of price action, so what I explained before, expansion in, expansion out, expansion came down, now expansion going to the upside. If we will close above this down close candle, that will show the change in state of delivery in daily, so we can look to target this highs. Okay, this is the weekly open, and now we are expanding to the upside. So good, I am expecting good week, you know, this week. Let's see. So this is my expectation. Now what happened? From the open 4 hour there is nothing. 1 hour we came down, swept the low. Now we are expanding to the upside. Nice, nice daily profile. Do we have any kind of SMT? No, I expect we have here. Uh, Let me see. Ideally, it is better when price form SMT at reversal point. No, we don't have any kind of SMT here. No worries. I look to buy GBP JPY this week also. So this is the final outlook. Gold expecting price should come towards this weekly fair value gap. Sorry, this is dollar expecting price should come towards weekly fair value gap. Gold, gold I will wait because now I don't know if this is a continuation or just a expansion. Then it will meet with another expansion to the downside. Then that will be a reversal signature. Then we can look to target this loss. So waiting game on gold, Euro USD upside move, GBP USD waiting, GBP JPY upside move. Thank you.